Hands-free for Zoom. Today, we will be showing off the features and functionality of hands-free for Zoom on the RealWear devices. With the new Hands-Free for Zoom app, it is now even easier to join a Zoom meeting from your RealWear device. Once you open the app on your device, you have two options for joining a meeting. You can join a Zoom call by entering in your meeting ID with your voice, or you can scan a QR code with the meeting ID in it. Once you are logged in to the Zoom meeting on your device, there are many different features you have access to completely hands-free. You can mute your call's audio, share your onboard camera and camera features, you can receive annotations from an expert on a still image of your live video feed, share your entire RealWear device screen, see the participants in the meeting, stop your video feed, and you can terminate the call. Check out realwear.com for more information and resources on hands-free for Zoom.